Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our next module number MECH underscore P underscore 026 underscore Resnick Holiday Gerald Walker. Statement: Earth has a mass of 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. Okay, mass of Earth has been given as 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. Dear students, this quantity is extremely large. It means 5.98 into 24 zeros with 1. Okay. Earth has a mass of 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 24 kilogram. The average mass of the atoms that make up Earth is 40 atomic mass unit. Okay. This small u stands for atomic mass unit. In some subsequent module, we will learn about this term in more detail. Okay. To the extent of our current module, we will see a table in which its value will be given. Okay. The average mass of the atoms that make up Earth is 40 atomic mass units. How many atoms are there in Earth? Okay. Number of atoms are to be determined. Number of atoms are to be given. Okay. Not large, quite simple and short question. Solution: we know as per table of conversions that one small u, that is one atomic mass unit, is equal to 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. Dear students, this quantity is extremely small in comparison with the previous quantity which was given in the statement, that is the mass of the earth. Okay. Mass of the earth is 10 raised to the power 24 kg, that is 10 raised to the power plus 24 kg, while one atomic mass unit is 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. It means 1 over 27 zeros with 1. Okay. So it is a point to be imagined, point for consideration. How much difference occurs between these two quantities? Okay. Mass of Earth 5.98 into 10 raised to the power plus 24 kilogram, while one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg. Okay. 10 raised to the power plus 24 and 10 raised to the power minus 27 are entirely opposite quantities. Okay. One very large and one very small. Okay. So dear students, when one atomic mass unit is equal to this, okay, as given Hence, 40 atomic mass unit will be equal to that quantity into 40. Quite simple, okay? So, hence 40 atomic mass unit will be equal to 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kg into 40, which will be alternatively equal to 66.44 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kilogram. Okay. Again, very small quantity. Okay. In comparison with mass of the earth, which is 10 raised to the power plus 24. This quantity is 10 raised to the power minus 27, which is very small. Okay. Now, number of atoms in the earth is equal to mass of the earth divided by average mass of the atoms that make up the earth. This is alternatively equal to 5.98 into 10 raised to the power 24 kg divided by 66.44 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kilogram, which will be alternatively equal to 0.09001 into 10 raised to the power 51. Okay. Dear students, here kg will be cancelled with kg, and 10 raised to the power minus 27 given in the denominator will be shifted to a numerator and will become plus. Okay, it will become 10 raised to the power plus 24 when it will be shifted to a numerator from the denominator. Okay, hence 27 will be added in 24 and result will be multiplied with 10 raised to the power 51. Okay. 5.98 divided by 66.44 will be equal to 0.09001, while 10 raised to the power 27 after being shifted to a numerator will be added in 10 raised to the power 24 and will become 10 raised to the power 51. Dear students, this quantity alternatively becomes 9.001 into 10 raised to the power 49. Because when we will convert 0.09001 into 9.001, 10 raised to the power 2 will be dropped from 10 raised to the power 51. Okay. Hence, this is equal to 9.001 into 10 raised to the power 49, which is equal to 9 into 10 raised to the power 49. Okay, because 9.001 is almost equal to simply 9. Okay, so this is the required number of atoms in the earth. Okay, now we move on to next slide. Additional note, we have also used this table in previous modules. Okay, here at number 4. Okay, fourth serial number, one atomic mass unit is equal to 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 24 gram, which is alternatively equal to 1.661 into 10 raised to the power minus 27 kilogram. Okay, which is again equal to 6.250 into 10 raised to the power minus 2 pound, which is again equal to 3.125 into 10 raised to the power minus 5 ton. Okay, 1 metric ton is equal to 1000 kilogram, and this is the end of our current module. Okay.